Hello guys and welcome back to Church Basics. In today's video I will teach you how to fix your microphone in new Counter-Strike 2. So watch this video until the end. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, the first thing you can do is check your microphone if it's connected onto your PC. And once you will check the connection, then you can open the sound settings. And downside you will see this microphone progress bar. So if it's moving, that means your microphone is working properly. And now we can open CS2 and check some microphone settings. Okay guys, once you will open Counter-Strike game, you need to go to settings, and here you need to go to the audio settings. When you go to audio settings, you need to check enable voice section, which is right here, and you need to set this to press to use microphone, which is right here guys. And if it's already set on press to use microphone, then you can refresh it. Just choose disabled and then choose press to use microphone again guys. And also make sure that you have got no on this section, which is streamlined push to talk. Okay, most likely your microphone will work in the game, but also there is a possibility that you don't know the exact button which enables your microphone. So to check these settings, you need to go to the keyboard and mouse settings, and you need to scroll all the way down to the communication options, which is right here. And here you can see use microphone, and you need to set the key. At the moment I have got K on my keyboard to use my microphone. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget hit the like button. See you in the next video.